Hey my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to be decorating my dashboard layout in my social media planner for the week of July the 19th through the 25th. And I'm really excited because it is National Lollipop Day. Well, technically it's July the 20th, and I'm really excited to go ahead and do a lollipop theme spread in my dashboard layout. So in order for me to do that, I pulled out 3 sticker books to kind of go ahead and give me that look that I'm going for. Just something simple, just doing it like lollipop theme. That's all I'm doing with some other stickers from the Happy Planner in here, and just kind of setting that up. So one of the things that I get asked a lot is how do I keep up with like all my wacky holidays in my planner, and so I want to show that to you really quick. So inside my planner, I do use the perpetual calendar that's in this planner, and I just write all of the wacky holidays for the entire year, or maybe like the mid-year, and I just kind of write them down here. And so I did do an Instagram post when it was National French Fry Day, and then National Ice Cream Day is actually the 18th. And so I thought, because I already did an ice cream spread last year, that I will go ahead and do a lollipop theme spread this year. So I'm really excited about that. So again, I did a ice cream spread last year. I'll try to go ahead and link that in this video, or maybe insert it in the end screen or down in my description box below. But I am going to be doing a lollipop theme spread in here. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. It's going to be super simple, but I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to be using that and what stickers I chose. So the sticker book that I did chose to give me that lollipop theme was this Girl Power sticker book by the Happy Planner. If you hadn't picked this up, you need to get this. This is super awesome. I did do a flip through of this. I will link that as well in here, or maybe put it down in my description box. So if you want to check that out after this decorate with me, you guys can go ahead and definitely check that out once you go into my description box. But they have some cute little lollipops here that I want to use, and some cute little daisies. So I chose that book for my theme, and then I'm going to bring in the Fun Alphabet sticker book. I haven't used this quite a bit, so I wanted to go ahead and pull some letters out to just kind of spell out Lollipop Day, and then tying in some colorful boxes as well, just to kind of notate the days that I have videos coming out and all that fun stuff. right, you guys, so this is how my spread turned out for National Lollipop Day. Super cute and fun, you guys. I just love doing wacky holiday themes in my spread. And so, yeah, so again, I use this as my social media planner. This is the dashboard layout. And what I do with the left side is kind of write down all the things I need to get done. And then I just kind of look at what I have to get done. And then I'll probably move them over and see what day will allow me to kind of work with some of those tasks I need to get done. And then I may move them on to the days that I get those accomplished. So I have a to-do section here that is all planner related, or social media related, I'm sorry. Where I write down if I need to respond to emails, respond to posts, or post anything, I'll write that here. I did put something different that I normally don't do on my social media planner. I did put a to pack list because I am going out of town. So there are some things that I want to pack and have together that's for social media. I do want to list those here and make sure I check them off because this baby is going with me. So I want to make sure that I'm checking things off and making sure I have everything. And then I have a little Biz Babe section here. I do have a lip gloss line with my 3 beautiful girls called Lipgloss by 3LW. So I hadn't been posting a lot on there because I just been kind of busy with family and taking care of my mom. So with this section, I've been doing a little bit of light work with my business, but I do want to write down some things that I'm wanting to revamp and rebrand for that. So I do want to put that there because I will be posting as well on that social media handle. So I want to incorporate that little section as part of my social media. The next section here I do have is video ideas that I come up with during the week, because sometimes I write down and forget, you know, about it. So at least if I know I have a section here, I can write down as it comes to me. I can write that down, and then as I'm going to the next week, I can always flip back and look at this and then put it back in my ideas section of my social media planner, which I do have a setup of this, so you can kind of see what that idea section looks like as well, of that setup video. But I just want to put like a little insert where I can put my little video ideas. And then this one, I just kind of went free reign with this and just said, you know what, I'm just going to pop a motivational quote, do what makes you happy, and then put some cute big old lollipops there. So that's what I mainly do for that section. This section is self-explanatory because this is just stuff that I'm going to be doing throughout the week. But here, this is Monday through Sunday. This is just where I'm going to be putting my Instagram post. I was posting every day, but now I have fall back and only trying to post at least 3 to 4 times a week. And so I want to just write down what I've been posting here as keeping up like a posting schedule, which I'm still working and tweaking on that. And then here is a day that I'm actually going to be doing a video. So Lollipop Day will probably come out on Lollipop Day. Or it may come out on Monday, so I'm not for sure. But I know for this day, I will have a video coming out. And then actually, I have a video coming out on Friday. So I need to add another box. Hold on one second. All right, so I'm just going to add another box here because I'm going to have another video coming out on this day. And I was doing like flip through Fridays. And if you don't know what flip through Fridays is, I did this like last year and you guys loved it. And what I did was every so often I would just, whatever I purchased, like craft supplies, organization hauls and stuff, I would do that on Fridays and kind of like flip through it, let you guys see what it looks like. And you guys have been loving that. And so I'm thinking about bringing that back. And so I would flip through like sticker books, planner stuff. If it's a new planner that came out or a new planner that I want to try or maybe giving away, I'll flip through it before I give it away, that sort of thing. So yeah, so I'm definitely going to do something on Friday. I'm not for sure if it's going to be a flip through, but it's definitely going to be a video there. And for August, I'm trying to, for the month of July, I'm really trying to get a hold of creating a schedule for my social media so that it's consistent and you guys will know when I have videos uploaded and all that fun stuff. So this again is my National Lollipop Day theme spread for this week of July 19th through the 25th. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are new here, I hope that you consider subscribing if you want to see more fun videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.